So we have a fireplace and we're always bringing in wood and making little messes. And I was trying to find a good broom that would actually sweep up like the wood. Some of them are bigger chunks and some of them are really fine. And finally I found one I'm satisfied with. It actually will do that. This actually comes with the broom and then the scoop. And as you can see, it's got the little hook right here. You just push it in like that and pull it off. So it's easy to store. When I'm done, I just put it like that and we're good to go. But I like, this is just a good size little broom. The bristles are just kind of a heavier, some of them are so fine and flimsy, but this one I feel like it gets the bigger pieces, which is what I like. And then the other thing is, my other broom, it wouldn't stay screwed in. And this one, I've had no problems with it at all. It stays together really nice. These sometimes would come loose, but this one I haven't had any problem with. If you didn't want to hang it up, there is like a little hole right there. You could use it there. And then the scoop is nice because you can obviously push it down, put it in, and then when it's full, you just put it up and then take it outside or put it in your bigger garbage. I put mine in my fireplace, but whatever you want to do with it. But I don't know, finally found one I like, so I just wanted to show it to you. If you're looking for a good one, I think the quality is a lot better than some of the other ones that I've tried. So I like mine.